Hi everyone, in this video I will explain to you how to integrate Webflow's forms with HubSpot. First step is create a HubSpot form. Log into your HubSpot account, go to Marketing, next Lead Capture, and go to Forms. Create a new form and customize it according to your needs. Once done, save the form. Second step, get HubSpot form embed code. After creating your form, HubSpot will provide an embed code. Copy this code for later use. Third is add HubSpot form to Webflow. In your Webflow project, go to the page where you want to add the form. Use an embed element in Webflow and paste the HubSpot embed code. Fourth step, set up Webflow form to submit to HubSpot. Alternatively, you can set up Webflow forms to send data to HubSpot via API. In Webflow, create your form fields, name, email, etc. In the form settings, set the action URL to HubSpot's form submission endpoint. Next is change the method to post. And lastly, test the integration. Publish your Webflow site and fill out the form to ensure data is correctly sent to HubSpot. Check HubSpot to verify that the submissions are being recorded properly. And that's basically it.